recording from
Hi friends, this particular video is regarding free Scopus indexed journals. We all know this is usually suitable for research candidates, MTech students, ME students, master degree students for publishing the research papers in Scopus indexed journals. So generally Scopus is a consortium. They are obtaining papers from many vendors to publish the papers into their journal, but generally, all the students and candidates have to push the papers in Scopus. Then only their research will be getting eligible. Many journals are there: Scopus, UGC CARE, SCI, that means Science Citation Index, Science Citation Index expanded. Many versions are there. But this particular video will show how your research paper can be published in Scopus indexed journal. So let me start the video. First journal, International Journal of Electrical Engineering and Informatics. This particular journal providing Scopus for free, that means Scopus publication. ISSN number is 20856830. Publication time, that means total processing time from the day of submission to processing time, is 1 to 3.5 months approximately. That means usually your paper is not getting any flaws. It is properly plagiarism free, and the proper novelty, it has proper novelty means automatically your paper will be pushing into Scopus within a month, or it may go to maximum 3.5 months. So indexing will be in Scopus, the website will be given. So this is the first journal. Next one is the International Journal of Computer Science and Engineering. This particular journal is providing you the Scopus indexed for your research with a processing time of 1 to 2.5 months maximum. The ISSN number is 22313850. Website I gave over here in description, you can check with it. I will show you how to see the scope of the journal first. You are writing the research paper, it's okay, but this particular journal or other further coming journals, your paper is eligible or not. First we need to check the scope of the journal. For that I will show you how to do that. Just copy this link, paste the link over here. In browser I paste the link and give enter. This is the journal home page. In description I give a URL, you can click over that and you can get this journal as well. Here you can see the aim and scope option. Just click over that. In this you can see the complete scope of the journal, like computer architecture, artificial intelligence, computer and language. This much scope it is there. You can publish your paper within this scope into this journal. So this kind of things you can see here. This particular journal also having good novelty. You can see here aim and scope: power engineering, telecommunication engineering, computer engineering, control and computer systems, electronics, information technology. This much biomedical engineering. This much services are there for this in the International Journal of Electrical Engineering and Informatics journal. Okay. Next one, third one is a big data research. This particular journal will give you an indexing approximately 2.5 months. 2.5 months approximately. ISSN is 22145796, and this is a very important journal because it is indexed in Science Citation Index and Science Citation Index expanded version also. It is indexing in Scopus. So this is the website link. As usual, I already told you. You just capture the link and go into the browser. Automatically, you will get the further details. Here, this particular journal is indexed in elsewhere based. So it's the highest important journal, so go with it also. Next one, the International Journal of Technology, Law and Practice. This particular journal will provide you the option for putting the paper into the journal based on law, human law and practice, such like that. ISSN number is 02673649. Processing time is 2.5 months approximately. Indexing is in Scopus and the website is given below. Next one, cognitive systems research. Cognitive systems research will give you a paper processing time total like 3 months approximately. ISSN is 13890417. Indexing is very important over here. It is a very important journal because it is indexed in SCI. Scopus as well as ACI indexed journal. ACI is Science Citation Indexed Journal. So its website is given below. Next one is expert systems with applications. Expert systems with applications. This particular journal having the scope of SCI as well as Scopus indexing. Processing time is 3 months approximately. ISSN 09574174. The website link is given in description. You can use that also. Journal of Computational Science. This is also one of the important journal because I already told it is indexed in both SCIE and Scopus. SCIE is Science Citation Index expanded. Then ISSN is 18777503. Processing time, total processing time is 3.5 months approximately. Next one is computer and graphics. The ISSN is 00978493. You can search in website by using the ISSN also. You can get the same journal link. And one more thing. Usually the ISSN will be like a printed ISSN, online ISSN is there. I give the printed ISSN, online ISSN, you can enter into the journal and you can get it. Processing time for this journal, computer and graphics, is 4 months approximately. Indexing is Scopus. The website link is given below. It is also one of the elsewhere publication. Then engineering applications of artificial intelligence. This is artificial intelligence journal. Most of the papers like machine learning, artificial intelligence, mining oriented papers, this all will be coming under this scope. ISSN is 0952 1976. Approximately processing time is 4 months. It has some ethics to analyze your paper, going to peer review step by step, as well as this is the most important journal because Scopus and SCI indexing is there. So processing time is 4 months approximately. Website is given below. This one, International Journal of Engineering and Technology Innovation, IJETI. ISSN is 22235329. Processing time 2.5 to 3 months approximately. Indexing is Scopus ESCI. Website is given below. The another one, International Journal of Mathematical Engineering and Management Sciences. This journal is somewhat specific because here you can see mathematical paper, management papers. This kind of papers are eligible to publish in this journal. Scope, we can check the scope. Go into this website. Here you can get the option called Amen Scope. Just click over here. Here you can see the mathematical sciences. Within this range, applied mathematics, operation research, mathematical statistics, engineering sciences. We can publish our paper in many streams: civil engineering, computer science, mechanical engineering, industrial engineering, system engineering, reliability and production engineering. Management also we can publish, risk management, some supply chain management. This kind of papers are possible to publish within this link. So here they mention on publication fee. First see this, there is no submission or publication fee for regular articles. But the criteria is only the extra page charges are there after formatting the final paper in JMS formatter. Extra page charges is mentioned over here. Manuscript 10 pages or less than pages will be considered as a free. But after 10 pages, there will be a charge of 2,500 rupees per page. For domestic clients, 50 USD per page for foreign clients. For each additional page, the 11th page itself, the cost will be 2,500 and more. So this is the criteria they are following. This is also indexing in Scopus. presently it is in Scopus scenario. Schemago, we can check the website quality also. For every journal, you just check the quality of website with this Schemago. It is Q2, it is highly reputed one, as well as Scopus also from 2016, it is 2016 to present, it is in Scopus. Some journals are like fake journals. They are not listing in Scopus, but they are indexing, but they are in website, they are mentioning it as a Scopus. You can easily identify that. Here you can see the journal name 2016 to present. From here you can click the journal home page. It should go, or it must go to the defined website. See, this website needs to go. Then only we can say it is properly indexed in Scopus. So it is very easy to publish a paper in Scopus, but the quality of paper and content of paper, what is the algorithm, what is the logics you used in this paper, it's a very important one. And as well as the plagiarism, we need to give as much as plagiarism, then only it is acceptable. For this journal, they will give a criteria. Similar to that, publication ethics or ethical issues, this kind of things, you can see the instruction for paper, how the paper should be. So read the scenario for any particular journal, then proceed the paper according to the journal. You will definitely get some reputation and you will publish a paper freely in journal. Thank you for watching. I will come with some other videos related to SCA and Scopus paid publications also. High speed paid publications are available in Scopus. I will come with the next video. Thank you for watching.